Hello, welcome to this video on perfect competition. What will we see in this video? First, we'll have a look at what factors distinguish market structures. Second, we'll have a look at the main features of a perfectly competitive market. First, let's have a look at a market structure. Perfect competition is a type of market structure. And we describe a market structure by the characteristics of a market in which a firm is competing. Those characteristics we focus on, for example, the relative strength of buyers and sellers, the level of competition, the extent of product differentiation, and the ease of entry and exit from that market. If we're looking at different market structures, the most competitive is considered to be perfect competition. Close to perfect competition, yet different in some aspects, is monopolistic competition. For example, firms in monopolistic competition have a little degree of freedom. An oligopoly is best described as a market structure in which there are a few dominant firms. In a monopoly, there's only one supplier to the market. At a later stage, we'll have a look at a monopoly. As you can see, the degree of competition is high in perfect competition and non-existent in monopoly, as a monopolist is the only supplier to the market. What then characterizes perfect competition? First, there are many firms that sell identical products to many buyers. In other words, not the firm can influence price, but so cannot the buyer. There are no restrictions to enter this industry. Established firms in this industry have no advantage over new ones. And the last factor, sellers and buyers are well informed about prices. Let's have a look at some of them. The relative strength of buyers and sellers. In perfect competition, a firm is a price taker. As mentioned, a firm cannot influence the price. It has to take the price that is established on the market. The reason being that other firms are offering a perfect substitute. No single firm can therefore influence the price. It must take the equilibrium market price. If you're looking at examples, they are mostly found in the agricultural market. For example, potatoes and oranges. Here you can see an example from Korea, a fish market in which one product is offered, being fish. Now I can hear you think, but there's different qualities and different species of fish. But within this model, the fish is perceived to be a perfect substitute of each other. And none of these ladies can influence the price individually. The price of their fish is established on the market. Let's have a look what that means for an individual firm, and we'll therefore have a look at marginal revenue in the next video.